Hey guys, how you doing? I tell you what, let's just talk a little bit. Are you happen to be one of those people that's still involved in their 9 to 5 gig, if you will? And whether it's sucking the life out of you or just doesn't pay you enough for all the hours you put in, how about you think of something else? But hey, hang on, still got questions. You think you make enough to pay all your bills, go on vacation, and actually be able to put some stuff in savings? If you do, delete this video or just go on. Don't even keep watching because you're doing fine. Do you by chance sell a product or deal with the products that people buy? And then you have to deal with all the customers that come in and bitch and complain? Yeah? Hey, that's gonna make your day pretty happy, right? So, you know, and if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, you can make quite a bit of money using just a laptop and a smartphone. It's what I do. Been doing it a while, making some money. You can too. Later.